Hi, I'm Chandler Griffin, and I'm the Communications Director with San Juan Basin Public Health. Thanks for joining for another COVID update. The Omicron surge continues in Southwest Colorado. While the state of Colorado is starting to observe some early indications that the testing positivity rates statewide are starting to level off, which may be an indication that the peak in the surge is around the corner, we are not yet observing that in our local community. So what this means is it's still critically important for community members to be following public health precautions. This means masking in public indoor spaces and in businesses, and then also being up to date on vaccinations and boosters. This week, local partners across education, business, healthcare, and local government joined SJBPH in calling for a renewed commitment and additional commitment to these public health precautions. What we can do together as a community is to protect essential government services that we all rely on, everything from snowplow to trash collection, and then also really importantly, protecting healthcare capacity in our region. Also, by following precautions, we can support our schools. They've faced tremendous challenges during this Omicron surge, and by committing to precautions and slowing the spread, we can ensure that our kids have the opportunity for in-person learning, which we know is so important for their education and their mental and physical health. There are some new resources available from the federal government in the testing area. You may have seen that this week, covidtests.gov launched online. And what this does is it allows people in the community to order free rapid tests that will be mailed directly to homes in communities across the country. And we strongly encourage residents to take advantage of this new program. We also have our community testing sites still available in the community, and these offer the free PCR tests. Locations and hours of operation are available on our website at sjbpublichealth.org/testing. Appointments are available. Please do make an appointment, and they can also accommodate some walk-ins each day that they're open. Boosters and vaccines continue to be extremely important. Vaccines have really helped us during this Omicron surge in preventing severe illness and hospitalizations. And without these vaccines and these boosters being administered at such a high rate in our community, we would have a much bigger strain than we already do on our healthcare resources. So please do not hesitate if you are eligible to go in and get your booster. It will make a big difference if you are exposed or unfortunately do become ill with the Omicron variant. It will protect you against severe illness. It limits the chances of being hospitalized. It can even shorten the period of your illness and reduce the symptoms that you may experience. So please do take advantage of that. We will continue to push that even after this Omicron surge is over, as we know that high vaccination rates and high rates of boosters are what makes our community so resilient and able to preserve healthcare capacity locally. Other precautions that we want to remind people of, especially with some big events coming up in our community, such as Snowdown. We also know people are, trying to make the most of this winter season. Just really important to wear a high quality, well-fitting mask whenever you go downtown or go into any business. We know the businesses really appreciate it. This is our way of protecting workers who are out in the community. So many essential workers out there, people in our grocery stores, teachers, healthcare providers. By joining together with these precautions, we're confident that we can protect all of the services and functions that our community relies on every day. And we thank you so much for everything that you're doing to keep yourself safe and to protect your family during this heightened level of Omicron transmission. We look forward to turning the corner on this surge, and we will continue to keep the public well informed. If you do test positive, even if you do test positive on a rapid test at home, please do call us for any questions that you may have about quarantining or isolating. Our staff is available to handle inbound calls from the community with any questions about quarantine or isolation. So our number is 970-247-5702. We are here to support you. Thank you so much and have a good day.